Welcome to Cooking with Jimmy. Today we're going to be making my homemade curry chicken. It's the bomb. It's super good. We're going to go ahead and start off and show you the ingredients. So you're going to need your chicken. Go ahead and get yourself chicken breast. You can use thighs or whatever the case may be. Alright, and then you got your cream sauce. You can buy that at any Safeway, Lucky's, whatever. You need your tomato paste. Okay. Shallots, of course. And chop those bad boys up. Same with the chicken. Alright. Real butter. Don't use no margarine or nothing like that, okay? Grapeseed oil or extra virgin olive oil. I actually prefer Sicilian olive oil, to be honest. Really good. Okay. Main ingredients is going to be your curry. And then fresh garlic. I'm going to show you how to chop that bad boy up too. Really quickly. Salt and pepper. Pink salt is always good. Or Hawaiian rock salt. Always good. Let's jam right into it. We're going to go ahead and show you how to chop this bad boy up real fast. So you want to go in sections and everything else. So we'll do one slide. Boom. That's it. Move that to the side. Go ahead and jam it on up. Okay. This is all you need. Boom. Look how fast that was. Alright, now that we got that chicken chopped up and everything, it's looking good. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and do these shallots real quick. Make sure you wash them. Wash everything before you do it, especially fruits and vegetables, okay? So I'll just do an example of one. We won't go ahead and do everything. Just go through, run your fingers like this, cook them, and go ahead and just chop away. Use the sawing action, and then keep going through, okay? Go faster if you want. And then at the end, put that to the side, and you're left with a nice sliced shallot. Okay? I'm going to put that to the side. Go ahead and throw them on in here. Remember, I told you that I'm going to show you how to break down those garlic cloves real quick, okay? So this is very fast. Doesn't take long. We'll use a big one. Alright, there's your clove. Grab your knife. Go ahead and put it on top of it and just press down. You hear that crunch? Yeah, that's what you want. Then once that's done, all you got to do is run it through. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Side to side. And there you have it. It's good to go. Alright, now that we cut up our chicken, our shallots, our garlic, and everything is good to go, I'm taking you to the cooking and preparation station. Alright, so we're going to start off by adding a little bit of olive oil. Use the good stuff. Can't stress that more. Okay? You don't need to put too much at first. We'll add more later. Alright? Next, go ahead and get all that in there. There you go. Coat that bad boy. Alright? Now we're going to go ahead and add just a little bit of butter. Not too much. Alright? There we go. Just a drop. I'm going to spread that around. Nice. Okay, next, we're going to go ahead and add our chicken. And that's the one that we diced earlier. Go ahead and get all that in there. Alright? Boom. You want to hear that noise. Okay? If you're not hearing that, you're not doing it right. Just go ahead and spread that everywhere. That's what you need. Boom. Now you got a good spread. Okay, next thing we're going to do is we're going to add our shallots early so that way they get all infused. Also the garlic, okay? Boom. Garlic is next. Fresh garlic. All of it. That was 4 cloves. 1 full thing of shallots. Alright. And we're just going to let that sit for a minute. I'll start adding spices. Alright. And once it browns, we'll come back to it. We got our chicken about 2/3 cooked off. So now we're going to add another drizzle. Like I said before, we always add a little bit more. Okay. Drizzle. Now I want to add the entire contents, which is 3 tablespoons of curry spice. Okay. Boom. We're going to add all that together. I'm going to give it a nice swirl. Okay. All this is going to come together beautifully. All right, let's get all that coated. Boom. Let's go ahead and add some black pepper. Use the good stuff. All right, here we go. This is your pink salt. Okay? Don't overdo it. Now, this is our tomato paste. All right, get all that in there. Next, our cream sauce. Like I said, you can buy this at any supermarket inexpensively. Put all that, all of it, all the contents in there. All right, good. All right, do another one. Mix that bad boy up in there. It's already looking good. I got some jasmine rice to pair with this, by the way, y'all. Okay. This is coming to effect, live and direct. Boom. All right, let that relax for a second. Get back in here. I want to do a little bit of lemon as well. Boom. Everything nice and fresh. Fresh is the best. Don't forget that. All right. Now, all I'm going to do is relax, step back, and let it do its thing, okay? All right, guys, now that we have everything cooked off, everything's good to go, we're going to go ahead and do this jasmine rice. What I did was pack it into a bowl. You can get any bowl. Just make sure it's not too big. You're going to grab it just like this. After it's been packed, you're going to go ahead and smooth it on out right down in 1, 2, 3. Tap it, slap it, and wrap it out. There you go. There it is. Boom. Now I'm going to make something called the eagle's nest, which means it's just going to go straight down just like that. So that way my curry can go right in the center line. Okay? Boom. That's where my curry's going to go. All right, here's the curry. Curried chicken. All right, let's do this. Boom. Boom. Bam. And we're going to do one more, okay? That's nice and packed in there, okay? Let's go ahead and put our lemons. This is just for effect, okay? Yeah, that looks good. Okay. And let's go ahead and put some parsley on it, like I always do. Boom. Boom. And voila, there you have it. Jimmy's homemade curry chicken.